In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a rounded rectangle here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can go about this. We can use Canva shapes. So if we come over to elements and come to shapes, we can use this square. We can click on there, drag out the side, and then we have our rectangle. Or we can also use elements. So if we come over to elements and if we type in rectangle like this, click enter and come to graphics, we have quite a few different ones which we can choose from. And as you can see, some of these are already rounded. Now let's just go ahead and click on one of these, just like that. Now to make this rounded is really simple. Once we have our rectangle, we want to click onto that rectangle, come up to here to where it says corner rounding. If we click on there, we can play around with this bar, increasing it, and if we look on the corners, it's going to round them. The higher up the bar we go, the more rounded that becomes, and it's going to be the same on this one as well. So if we click on corner rounding, increase this bar, we now have a rounded rectangle. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a rounded rectangle here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.